your rules can always be suspended with unanimous consent or majority numbers of the Senate, right?
The rules of the impeachment rules.
Yeah.
Oh, iba
any
to,
rule of
iba na to.
Or any
Impeachment
internal rule
rules.
of the Senate.
Yes.
If the majority so decides, you can always suspend it, set it aside, even amend it.
Amended, yeah. Pero as long as hindi pa amended, ano sundin
yan
namin?
yung existing.
Yung imagine na, mag-imagine kami na as if amended. Dito muna tayo sa wording of the existing, di ba? Kung how it is written, dito tayo.
So all of this taken into consideration, ayaw nila gawin yan ng majority. So ibig sabihin, it stands to reason, ayaw nila na impeachment.
Hindi ko pa masabing ayaw ng majority. Kasi
Yeah, but how else do you explain why they do not share your view?
Baka yung attention nila nga nasa iba. That's where we're now focusing on this matter. So, and then so that the Senate President can focus every senator's attention on this matter, magpatawag na siya ng caucus.
Sir, do you intend to talk to SP about that?
Yeah.
Kakausapin niyo si SP?
Sabi ko si SP, sulatan ko pa siya.
Sulatan niyo ulit?
Sulatan ko ulit. Para siguradong in writing.
Sir, are you also planning to talk to the other senators para ma-convince po sila about your position na kailangan na talaga ng special
Si
session?
SP na lang siguro ako diretso para hindi lumalabas na ginagapang ko yung majority. Minority kasi kami. So si SP na diretso.
Opo. And what happens if si SP mag-stand firm na hindi talaga siya magpapatawag ng special session? What will be the next action then?
Caucus muna. Caucus muna. Then pakinggan nila ako. Ngayon kung talagang ayaw nila, aminin namin sa taong bayan na ayaw nila. Ganun siguro kasi. Because if this is really a political question, then therefore it is a legitimate political issue. Diba? For the people.
Pero at sa side po ninyo, pagka-ayaw talaga na mag-call ng special session after the caucus, wala na po kayong magagawa out of your hands.
Kasi aminado naman kami na yung special session dapat ginusto rin yun ng majority, ng quorum. Kasi kung kunyari, pinilit namin ni Senator Risa Ontiveros na mag-special session kaming dalawa, aminado din naman kami, walang bisa. Wala kaming quorum eh.